Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Miss Night Blush. My name is Muskan. For all you guys who are new here, as you guys can see, I already have most of my makeup on except like anything eye. So I've decided to take the Pop Lash Play Challenge by Maybelline. So it's basically a challenge with the colossal range of products. I have three of them. I have the mascara, the kajal, the liner, such oldies, such OGs in my collection. I remember these were, I think, the first eye products that I bought, the kajal and the mascara especially. I think this is new, I haven't seen it before, but these products have been a staple in my collection since I was like in school or something. So I've decided to partake in this challenge. I basically have some chits here. I'm going to pick out two chits and I'm going to do two challenges. So here goes the first one, and it says how to get all eyes on you. So first of all, I'm going to start with applying my liner. I will try to do a wing. Okay, so I'm done with my liner. I've kept it pretty simple because I want the focus to be on the mascara because I love full dark black lashes, and that's, I think, the easiest way to get all eyes on you. Okay, so the mascara that I'm going to use is the hero of this video. I really like this. This is such an OG in my collection. I've used this since I was like in 10th standard, I think. Of course, it's not the same one. I got a new one for this video, but I've been using this constantly since I was like 10th. I remember wearing this on my farewell. Such an OG product. And this is the waterproof one, just in case you guys were wondering. So I am going to apply it and apply it on the base of my lashes and just keep wiggling it up, and it gives such a major curl. And then my lower lashes, this is so pretty. Oh my god, I miss it. It's giving me such nostalgia. So now I'm going to use the Colossal Kajal to tightline my waterline. And yeah, I'm not going to apply it on the lower lashes because I do not like the look of that. I like my lashes being the main focus on my lower lash line. So I'm just going to apply it on the top waterline just so that my lashes look fuller. That's it. Look at how fuller my lashes look just by like tightlining them. And that's it. I think this is the easiest way to get all eyes on you. This is one of the most comfortable waterproof mascaras ever. Like, usually waterproof mascaras really dry my eyes. This one doesn't. I really like it. So that's it for the first challenge, and this is the final look, and I hope you guys like it. So now that the applying is done, I'm going to move on to the next challenge. Cannot wait to see what I get. So yeah. So this is my next task, and it says remove waterproof mascara in 30 seconds. Oh my god. Okay, so since this is a waterproof mascara, I'm going to use something oil based because we have to get it off in 30 seconds. I have my oil based cleanser on my cotton pads here with me. I'm going to start the timer. Oh my god, this is so scary. I literally just put it on. I don't want to remove it, but since this is a challenge, what I'm going to do, what the chit says, to start the 30-second timer. And yeah, it started. So the easiest way to remove waterproof mascara is to like put it on your eye and then like wait for like 10-15 minutes for the oil to soak the mascara. I'm going to start rubbing upwards so that, you know, I don't get raccoon panda eyes. And yeah, I'm just going to clean it inwards and then upwards. Okay. I think we're done. This is what the cotton pads look like. And oh my god, guys, the mascara is off in 30 seconds. I cannot believe I did this in 30 seconds. I think that's it. The mascara is completely off. There's no black residue on my fingers and my eyes don't feel heavy or dry or itchy or anything. That's it for the challenge. I had so much fun doing this. Now quickly going to inform you a little about the giveaway and the discount code. So first of all, they have a discount code which is, you can use this code on Amazon and get a discount, and you can also participate in the giveaway. So all you have to do to participate in the giveaway is tell me why you like the Colossal mascara. I like it because it's such an OG, takes me back to my school days, college days, and I love using it. It's the most comfortable, waterproof, affordable mascara. I really like it. So tell me why you like it in the comments, and 3 of you can win this mascara, and I'll announce the giveaway winners super soon. And that's it. I had so much fun in doing this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what other challenges do you want to see, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye.